Okay, now we've got our frog base, we're ready to make our frog. So what we're going to do is we're going to open these flaps up. Just move those over to the side like so. So you've got your flat piece of paper here. And we're going to bring these into the center and just fold along here. Again, it's going to be a little stiff, but make sure you get this nice and pointed. And the same on the other side. There we go. So make sure that that lines up nicely. And I'm going to fold that over. Then we're going to see this just pulls out a little bit here. That's what we want to get. So I'm just going to go to the next section on here. Then we're going to do the same, just fold in. And give it a squeeze down. And fold over. Okay, we just want to go to our next section again. So I'm doing this a bit fast just so that you can see, just so we can get through this quickly. You can spend a little bit more time on this. These will be making the legs of the frog and the front legs of the frog as well. So you'll see when I open these up, these might not be perfect, but practice, that's all I can say. I'm going to fold these in, and one more time on this side, and give it a squash down. You can see it doesn't look very frog-like yet, but bear with us. Okay, so we've got our very tight diamond shape. So what we want to do now is open it up on each side just so it's symmetrical. Let's get this one in. Oh, there we go. Right, now what we're going to do is going to pull out one of these little legs just from the middle. There we go. I'm just going to fold it up, bend it, and squash flat, just so it's up in line with the rest of the body, so it should be pointing right out the top. And we'll give it a little tweak on there. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Let's get this point over here. There we go, just see where it folds in there. Okay. And then squash flat. And those are its little front legs. So now I'm just going to do the same for the back legs. The back legs don't need to go up as far because they're going to stick outwards. So there we go, we're just going to we've got two legs left. Just going to take this bit and fold it up and just do it at a right angle, well, slightly less than a right angle up in there. So it sticks out. Give it a little crease down, try and make that as sharp as possible. And I'm going to do the same with the other leg. Just give it a big squeeze. There we go. Okay, now we just need to bend these legs down to make the feet. So it's the same type of fold, just a little squash fold and point down there. And the same on the other side. You see how that fold looks. Just push down. Those are the back legs, and now we're just going to do the same with the front legs. Just a little fold on there, just so they squeeze out. Like so. Now our frog is a little bit pointy, but what we're going to do, we're going to blow into this area here, just through its end. You can see there's a little hole in there, and that is going to give it a little bit of body. Just give it a little puff in there. You see it opens up. And this is our frog. Frog, although it could look a bit like a chicken as well, if you like. Just give it another little blow just to get a little bit open up. There we go. And if you've done it right as well, you can make the frog jump. What you need to do is push on the bottom. Like so. And there you have your jumping frog.